right, good morning. This is what the car is going to look like after its first stage in the actual laying down of material for paint. Looks like it is in a sealer, and a sealer does exactly what the name implies, is it seals over your build prime. So sometimes discretion is the better part of valor, and as much as I wanted to go ahead and go to color with this yesterday, it just I didn't like a few little things on it, just here and there, very small things, but you know, we're never going to be perfect, but if you don't strive for perfection, the product's just going to be that much worse than everything you do. But anyway, so I've elected to resand the entire car with 600 grit sandpaper wet to pull any remaining microscopic scratches and imperfections out of the vehicle. So that's this morning's good time. That's all for now.